Hello guys and welcome in this video. I will show you how to turn off notifications in the Claude app, so without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store and said what type. Claude app, make sure that is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated simply open it, and then tap on the 2 or 3 line of left corner of the screen after the tap on profile. And here what you need to do is scroll down little and type on notifications here. You need to turn off all the notifications. Once you do that, you will not be able to receive any notifications or buy this video. I should like and subscribe for more. Until next time. See you soon in another video.